I recently got this Tekchic wood carving kit deluxe from the brand. They sent it to me for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. And honestly, I'm really impressed with it. So if you're into wood carving, whether you're a pro or just starting out like my dad and me, it has everything you need. It comes with 15 tools, so 8 different whittling knives and 3 detail knives. So you've got options no matter what kind of carving you're about to do. They're all made with hard carbon steel blades, so they stay sharp even after a lot of use, which is great. Plus, they're corrosion resistant, which is a big deal when you want a set that lasts for a long time. The handles are very comfortable to hold in your hand. It really feels natural. They're made with a walnut wood with the rounded design, so it's pretty natural to hold, and they look pretty good too. So honestly, I could see this making a great gift for somebody who's into woodworking or just wants to pick it up. It does come with 2 gloves. My dad's only wearing 1 here, but it does come with 2. And best of all, it comes with that leather storage pouch, so that's perfect to keep everything together so you're not hunting down tools all the time. And look at these little cute creations that my dad was able to carve out. And you can even paint them like we did here. So I would definitely recommend this set if you're looking for a gift or if you just enjoy woodworking.